with time. So I'm freaking this little ditty up a rhyme, letting some know what o'clock to watch shows. Time makes ticket to the younger who flows. Time and time again, another takes a shovel. Digs in your yard, get into it, causing trouble. Disrupt the flow, how do I know the greedy little hands? In the cookie jar, even brothers and your friends. Some ain't like the rest, but some you gotta test. And so the season of the Vic has to be addressed. It's sad and depressing, but just a fact of truth. One who doesn't have a take from the ones who do, and maybe vice versa and the other way around. The rich brother thinking is the fact that I found. You gotta watch your back, man, get yourself together, cause Vic's will do the job in any type of weather. Season of the Vic, the season of the Vic.
Just blocking around no corners.
Season of the Vic, the season of the Vic.
Tired of brothers who read the backstab.
Season of the Vic, the season of the Vic.
Just blocking around no corners.
Season of the Vic, and it's the season of the Vic, yeah. The up to no good, so you better watch your booty. Vic is in the air, running rampant and it shows. Wave a dollar bill in the air and the nose. The eyes light up like a tree when it snows. Christmas time coming, Santa's help is working, but they'll be in your chimney, slick, fake and jerking. Wake up in the morning with the stocking full of soup. Your cookies half eaten by the man who stole your loot. Tree looking naked, the tinsels even stolen. You hear a faint chuckle from the man whose belly swollen. Sleigh bells ringing while he's laughing in his ride. Presents in the back with the 40-ounce beside. Even Santa's trip around this time of year. I saw him steal the antlers off a couple reindeer. Sort of sad story, sorry kids, but it's a fact. You gotta go to the North Pole to get your presents back. Watch your back, brother, cause times are getting slick. And keep your eyes peeled, cause it's the season of the Vic. Season of the Vic, the season of the Vic.
Just blocking around no corners.
Season of the Vic, the season of the Vic.
Tired of brothers who read the backstab.
Season of the Vic, the season of the Vic.
Just blocking around no corners.
Season of the Vic, cause it's the season of the Vic, yeah. Now this isn't comedy, it's just reality. A lot of people thieving cause me misery. Asking for your money and they asking for your favors. Behind your back his hand is in your wallet grabbing papers. Before you make a time, he robbed you for a nickel. No rent money, it's because the brother picked you. Going out to dinner, go pass you the check. Step to the bathroom, leaving you to collect. Coming to your house and running up a phone bill. 976, so somebody I'ma kill. Nah, just kidding, but I don't dig it right. A girl named Candy calling me up every night. Can I borrow this and could you lend me some of that? Your pocket's living thin while your boy's living fat. Off your paycheck, rent, and utilities. In your back pocket, yo, whose little hands are these? There's too many Vics getting over living foul. Offer somebody, you may ask how. It might happen to you, the story's really true. Be careful in this season, cause it's spreading like the flu. You're all sick in bed, ask the girl to get some soup. I found out from your friend that the girl was just a little lesson, a word to the wise. Don't trust a little sucker with the shifty beady eyes. Sweaty palm, never calm. Trouble causing trick. Your hands in your pocket, it's the season of the Vic. Season of the Vic.